Christmas. This is Calvin's present. It's humongous. Let's open her up. Grab the edge. Yeah, right through the box. Whoa, hold on.
He did go.
That's the way. Again. More.
Good boy.
Good one. Come on, keep going. You got the whole bottom there.
Come on, Callie.
Keep going. Oh, easy now. Don't get me.
Oh, that's a good one. Hey, Lisa.
Okay, baby. More paper. Pull.
That's a good one.
Pull the paper.
Oh, she's looking for her present, eh?
Who?
Lacey.
Pull the paper off.
Yeah, she was digging her nose.
Oh, Lisa, go
Good
put away,
one.
baby girl.
Good one, Calvin. Good one, Calvin. More paper.
No, you can't have any of that.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Oh, come on. You can do better than that. Haul her out. That's it. Oh, hey! We got it. Okay, let's see.
Alright.
It's like, what?
Holy cow, Calvin. Look at all the nuts.
Spoiled guy.
Look at all the nuts you got for Christmas.
You got
Bags and bags
almonds
of
and
nuts.
walnuts. You spoiled
Love the
boy.
box, he says.
Look at all the holes he put in
What
it.
a guy.
Merry Christmas, Calvin. Okay, this is where you normally give people a nice kiss. You get a nice Christmas kiss and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Callie.
Come on. Give us a nice Christmas kiss.
That's a nice way.
You got all those. That Santa was so good to you. Hey? Merry Christmas. Oh, that's what you say to that, eh? Okay. Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. To be continued.